Do I look stressed to you today? Well, it's because I am. So stick around, I'm gonna tell you why in just a second. Hey, my name's Misty and I'm a manifesting coach. If you've been here before, welcome back. And if today's your first day, well, go ahead and click that like and subscribe button, and we are here for you every single day where we make daily videos to help you live a more positive and abundant life. So why am I stressed? Well, there's my thank you train just in time to remind me that I need to be more grateful. And one of the things that I use a tool is something that makes a noise that is not on a regular basis that's going to remind me to be more grateful. So every time the train goes by, I do say thank you. So let me just take a second to do that and take a deep breath. And thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so all morning I've been trying to sit here and write out the content for the video and to make videos for you, and all morning long there has been some kind of noise. My dog's barking, someone pulling through my driveway, the kids next door at the school screaming their heads off, my neighbor's getting floors put in today. So there's all this noise that's not normally there, and it had me a little bit stressed out. And yesterday our question was on stress and how to deal with stress for the holiday season. And so usually when we get a question, I try to make it a theme for the week. It's an easy way for us to kind of tie everything together for you. And so I was trying to come up with a list of 5 ways not to worry, which I'm going to do for you for tomorrow when I'm not as stressed out. Maybe not here at my house because the level of noise is surpassed what it normally is. And so I'm just trying to spend the rest of today not working now because obviously I can't. My mind isn't in the right place. And so that's what I want to tell you. Whenever you're trying to do something and it isn't working, just take a couple of deep breaths and walk away from it. And you'll find that when you do that, you will be less stressed. So I hope that that is helpful for you. I know that it is a helpful reminder to me that when my thank you train comes, just to be a little bit more thankful and more grateful and not worry about the things that I cannot control. I cannot control all these other things that are going on around me. So I just have to let it go. Let it go and move on and do something else that is productive today. So I hope you will be here with me tomorrow. And you can also go to our Facebook page, our Instagram, and our Twitter. We love to hear from you. So anytime you comment, we love that. It makes our day so much better. And we are so grateful for that too. And until tomorrow, happy manifesting.